Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are tired of memorizing a random 9-digit AnyDesk ID and want to change it to a custom, easy-to-read name, you need to set up an alias. Keep in mind, AnyDesk recently updated their platform policies, and custom aliases are now exclusively reserved for users with a paid premium license. I have verified the latest account requirements, and I will show you exactly how to configure your new name right now. Let's get started. First, launch your AnyDesk application on the computer you want to rename. Ensure that AnyDesk is fully installed on your system, as the portable version running directly from your Downloads folder cannot permanently save an alias. Click the main menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window, and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, look at the left-hand navigation pane and click on the Identity tab. Scroll down this page until you locate the specific section labeled Alias. Here you will see your default numerical ID and a button that says Choose Alias. If this button is completely grayed out and unclickable, your current AnyDesk software is operating on the free tier, and you must purchase a license to unlock this feature. Finally, if you have an active paid license, simply click that Choose Alias button. A pop-up window will appear allowing you to type in your desired name. Your alias must follow the standard email-style format, utilizing your chosen text followed by the @AD public namespace. Ensure you only use standard letters, numbers, or dashes without spaces, and click Register to permanently link the new name to your computer. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.